Hello, Basic English class presentation topic Grammar correction of sentences. Contents correction of sentences, solved examples. Grammar correction of sentences. Question 1. The sentences given in the exercise include errors in the use of adjectives. Find the errors of adjectives or other parts of speech and correct the sentences. Correction of sentences. Question 1. Find the errors and correct the following sentences. 1. Seema felt sadly. 2. The painting was most unique. 3. The two last chapters of the book were boring. 4. He is older than his brother. 5. She is senior than me. 6. He is wise than his son. 7. She was older to her sister. 8. She is the most tallest girl in school. 9. No less than 30 students were present in the classroom. 10. Akash wished to go abroad for further studies. Correction of sentences. Question 1. Answer key. 1. Seema felt sad. 2. The painting was unique. In the sentence, the word most is omitted before the word unique. The word unique does not require the superlative form most. 3. The last two chapters of the book were boring. 4. He is older than his brother. 5. She is senior to me. 6. He is wiser than his son. 7. She was older than her sister. 8. She is the tallest girl in school. In the sentence, the word most is omitted before the word tallest to avoid a double superlative form. 9. No fewer than 30 students were present in the classroom. 10. Akash wished to go abroad for further studies. Correction of sentences. Question 2. The sentences given in the exercise include errors in the use of prepositions. Find the errors and correct the sentences. Question 2. Find the errors and correct the following sentences. 1. He lives at Mumbai. 2. He arrived on 9 am. 3. Kirti is fond of music. 4. Rita sat beside her friends. 5. Beside being rewarded, the boy was praised for his work. 6. Rupa met her friends in the bus stop. 7. The boy ran till school. 8. The letter was written from her sister. 9. She painted a picture by a brush. 10. The books were distributed between the 5 students. 11. The books were distributed among the 2 students. 12. He will go to office on tomorrow. 13. Susan ordered for a cake. 14. The meeting at the office began on 10 am. 15. Reena's parents visited her at June. 16. The novel was written from her friend. 17. The city is famous of its gardens. 18. The artist was proud for her talent. 19. The candidate was qualified of the job. 20. Her success was the result from diligence. Correction of sentences. Question 2. Answer key. 1. He lives in Mumbai. 2. He arrived at 9 a.m. 3. Kirti is fond of music. 4. Rita sat beside her friends. 5. Besides being rewarded, the boy was praised for his work. 6. Rupa met her friends at the bus stop. 7. The boy ran to school. 8. The letter was written by her sister. 9. She painted a picture with a brush. 10. The books were distributed among the 5 students. 11. The books were distributed between the 2 students. 12. He will go to office tomorrow. In this sentence, the preposition on is omitted before the word tomorrow as it is not required. 13. Susan ordered a cake. In this sentence, the preposition for is omitted before the word a as it is not required. 14. The meeting at the office began at 10 a.m. 15. Reena's parents visited her in June. 16. The novel was written by her friend. 17. The city is famous for its gardens. 18. The artist was proud of her talent. 19. The candidate was qualified for the job. 20. Her success was the result of diligence. Thank you.